Stop by and take a look at the 2022 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, starter type, starter belt alternator. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.